Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play the classic word game, Ghost. To start, gather at least 2 players. The goal is simple. Don't be the one to complete a valid word. One player begins by saying the first letter of a word they have in mind. This sets the stage for a fun, challenging linguistic battle. On your turn, you'll add 1 letter to the end of the current sequence, aiming to not finish a word. If you suspect the previous player completed a word or can't think of a valid continuation, you can challenge them. Remember, only words with 4 or more letters are considered valid for this game. You lose a round and earn 1 letter of Ghost if you complete a valid word. Similarly, if you challenge another player and they prove you wrong, you also receive a Ghost letter. The game continues until a player accumulates all 5 letters, spelling out GHOST, which means they are out. As players spell out GHOST letter by letter, they are eliminated from the game. The excitement builds as fewer players remain. The very last player left, who has successfully avoided spelling Ghost themselves, is crowned the champion. For extra fun, try adding categories or allowing proper nouns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.